How to create a Discord server. Ready to build your own little corner of the internet? Whether it's for gaming, friends, school, or your awesome community, I will show you exactly how to create your own Discord server in just a few steps. Let's get into it. First, launch Discord either on your desktop app or head to discord.com and log in through your browser. On the left hand side, you will see a list of server icons. There is a green plus button. Click that. You will see two options, create my own or join a server. We are making one, so hit create my own. Now choose for me and my friends or for a club or community. It doesn't change much, just helps Discord give you the right setup. Now give your server a name, be creative or keep it simple. You can also upload an icon if you want your server to stand out. Once you are happy, click create and boom, your server is live. Bonus tips. Add channels by clicking the plus icon next to the text channels or voice channels. Invite friends using the invite people button at the top. Go to server settings to change name, icon or permissions anytime. And that's how you create your very own Discord server. Quick, easy and totally yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.